So your Brother HL-L2350DW printer is running low on toner and you want to replace it with the new one. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to replace your toner in your Brother printer so you can get back to printing quickly. Or if you need extra help along the way, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen for one-on-one assistance. Otherwise, you can follow me along. Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, locate the small cutout handles on each side of the front of the printer. Firmly grab them and pull to open the front cover. Now, you'll see a green handle located right in the middle of the printer. Grab that green handle and pull the entire drum unit assembly out and slightly upwards. It should come out pretty easily. Once the drum unit is out, look for the small green lever on the side of the assembly. Press that lever down to unlock the cartridge from the drum unit. Now, just pull the used toner cartridge straight out of the unit. Before you put the new cartridge, remove all orange plastic protective pieces from the new toner cartridge. Now, push the new cartridge into the drum until you hear and feel it lock into the place. Push the entire drum unit back into the printer until it's secure and fully seated. After a few seconds, your printer will be ready to print again. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.